Hello everyone, I am Norbert. I am studying in Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. My register number is URK 19 CS 1115. Today we are going to see about that implementation of control statements in using C++. Okay. Under this topic we have 5 questions. First we are going to see about it to find a palindrome of a number. For that I am having the code. We are including that enter files actually include IOST, but we are giving using namespace std. After that we are giving that the main function main. We are declaring 3 digits, ditch, reverse equal to 0 and reminder. After that we are getting the input from the user, enter a number to find the palindrome of a number. After that by using cout function we are printing the enter a number. By using the scene function we are getting input from the user. After that by using while loop digit greater than 0, we are finding a reminder by modulo. We are getting the reminder from the given digit. Okay, we are the modulo the given digit modulo 10. We are getting the reminder. We are stored in the rem variable. After that we are doing reverse equal to reminder plus reverse into 10. This line gives the adding of 10th position. If the remainder is 2, after that the reverse is 0, so 0 and 10 0 2 first number. If you are giving 257, if you are giving 257, that model function is to separate 7. After that is stored in reminder variable. After that by using reverse this line, we are showing 7 plus 0. After that we are making digit as 2 digit. If you are having 3 digit, we will make it as 2 digits. If 257 means 25. After that it will coming. After that it will coming. It will take the remainder as 5. After that already the remainder is 7. Already the reverse is 7. And now the remainder is 5. Okay, the reverse is also 7. 7 into 10 70. 70 plus 5 75. For this 10th position, for this face value only we are giving, for this place value only we are giving this line reverse equal to remainder plus reverse into 10. After that we are also taking the digit as 1 digit. After that we are running the loop. This loop will run when the digit is greater than 0. After that we are printing the palindrome of a number. We are going to see the output and the number. We are going to say 857. I am getting palindrome of a number 758. Last number, first number, second number, first number, last number. Okay. Second question. To find the following pattern, we have to find this pattern. For this, I've done the code. I am include the header file and using namespace std. I am giving main function. I am declaring 2 variable ij. I am initializing another 2 variable with the values, that is n equal to 1 or m equal to 4. This n is used to print the number of stars, and m is used to print the number of spaces. I am giving while loop. The while should run if n less than 6, and that is the bitwise operator. The 2 conditions should correct. After that m greater than or equal to 0. So the while loop enters inside. After that I am giving for loop for j equal to 0, j less than m. I am printing space here, so I am taking the variable m for space. Okay, I am running this for loop for the size m. Okay, j equal to 0, j m. After I am j plus plus. This loop will execute. After that I am printing the star. For this I am taking for I equal to 0. I am taking the n as the limit, n as the condition. After that I am increment the n. After that I am by using cout function I am printing the star, and after the star space. After completing this loop, increment the n as plus 2 for second line, and decreasing the m as minus 2, because for second line I'm not needed for 4 spaces. I needed only 2 spaces. After that I needed three stars, so I am making these changes. After that I am going to new line. If the for first line it will come, it will print 4 gaps. After that it will come I equal to 0, it will print once. After the n is 1, this condition phase star, this loop only prints one star. After that the n increases, m decreases. Second line, it will the m also becomes 2. So this loop will run for only 2 times, 0 and 1. After that it will go into this loop. In this loop it will run for the 3 times, 0 and 2. After that the n becomes 5. After that m becomes 0. This loop, the while loop also, and then because we give if they greater than or equal to 0, okay, it will come. This loop won't run because this is also 0, this is also 0, m also 0. It will come to this line, it will print 5 stars. Okay, we are going to new line. We are going to check the output. In this I am getting star for first line 1 star, second line 3rd star, and the fourth line, third line 5 stars. Okay, third question. To find the following pattern, 1 to 1, 1 to 3 to 1. We are going to see the output. We are going to see the code. So giving the airlines as included IOST, AC name std. After giving the main function, I am declaring for variable I, j, k, l, n. I am taking input from user, how many rows he want to print. Okay, I am storing it as in n variable by using set function. After that I'm putting for loop. I am putting for loops. First for loop is for the overall program. Second for loop for spaces. Third loop for printing the number. Fourth for loop for also the spaces and number. Here first for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus plus. The second loop for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to n minus 1, and j plus plus. Count. I am giving this here 2 spaces. After that for k equal to 1, k less than or equal to I, k plus plus. In this I am printing the number, and the number with the before space and the after space. Okay, after space. After that I am printing for l equal to I minus 1, the l greater than or equal to 1, and the l minus 1 is 1. I am decrementing the l value. After that I am printing C out and the l, this l loop for, because I am getting here I want 2 3. After that I want 2n, so that this for this only we are giving the another for loop by using the variable l. I am going to the new line. Okay, we are going to see the output. It is asking enter the number of rows. I am giving 3 rows. It will giving 1 1 to 1 1 to 3 2 1. This is also 1 1 to 1 1 to 3 2 1. See, after that, to calculate the electricity bill for the following tariff: unit range, cost per unit. If it is a 1 to 100 unit, the cost for the unit is 1 rupee 50 with the 0.5 paise. But the unit is 1 or 1 to 300, the cost is 2 rupees 35 paise. The unit ranges from 301 to 500. The cost range from 3 rupees to 50 paise. If it is greater than 50, cost per unit is 4 rupees 20 paise. Okay. I will follow. Okay. I'm giving header files and using necessity. I'm giving main function. I'm initializing 2 variables. Declaring 2 variables int n and pay. I'm getting the enter the number of units. Enter the units from user. and I'm getting the input as the n variable. After that I'm putting if and elif loop. Okay, for checking the condition, if the units, the entered units n is greater than equal to 1 and less than or equal to 100, I'm multiplying the units into 1.05. Okay, after that I'm printing the pay. If the condition first if fails, after it will come from else if, and it checks n greater than or equal to 101 and n less than or equal to 300. If it is true, it will multiply the units into 2.35. After that it will print total tariff is pay. I'm storing this multiplication with a new variable, so I can easily print it. After that, this condition also fails, it will come to else if n greater than or equal to 301 n is less than or equal to 500. It will multiply the units with 3.50 and printing the total tariff. After that, else if n greater than 5, if it is greater than 500, it will multiply with the 4.20 and it will print the total tariff. Okay, we are going to see the output. Another number of units is asking. I am entering 250 units. It will print the total tariff is 587. If 250 means it will come in this 101 to 300 range. After that, the last one, develop a menu driven calculator with the following operation: plus, minus, division, multiplication, modulo. This I am giving the other files and using names yesterday. I am putting main function. I am declaring three variables. For A and B I am getting the two input from user, and C is used to calculate the necessary function, necessary addition, subtraction, multiplication. That's all. After that, I am getting the input with choice. That is, I am stored in the CH. That is, I am getting as character. Here I am getting the I'm asking the user to enter two numbers. I get it from A and B. I stored in A and B. I'm asking the user. I'm printing that options: add, subtract, division, multiplication, modulo. I'm asking the enter your choice. The user wants to enter which function he wants to do. After that, I'm giving menu options. Menu option by switch cases. The user enters the plus is the case plus, it will add a plus b. After that, if the chooses size subtraction minus, it will minus a minus b. I will show in the new variable c, and after it prints c. After uses select division, it will divide the two numbers and store in c. After it will print c. If the user selects the multiplication, it will multiply the numbers and store in c. After it will print the c. After it, if it is executes, after it will break the statement. And then finally, if the user selects modulo, it will do the modulo function and stores in c and print the variable c. After it will break the statement. In all the switch cases, we have to give the break for if the user did the function. After that, he has to break. Okay, if the option is not in this choices, so we have to print the invalid choice. Okay, we are going to run the output. Enter two numbers. I am giving number 5 and 6. Add, subtract, and minus. I'm giving addition. Do print 11. We can also want to see the difference. 5 and 6. If we give minus also, oh sorry, I'm given the underscore. 5, 6. If we give minus, you do 5 minus 6 minus 1. It will showing like that. After that, 5, 6. If I do multiplication, 5, 6 or 30. That's all. We get most of the outputs. Okay, thank you for watching this video.